I'm Eric Mercado, and I'm the class of 2018. My project this summer is using eye tracking to create a predictive model of memory. It talks about the F pattern of viewing a web page, and basically there's, he has a bunch of heat maps of various different web pages that show a pattern where there's people look at the left side of the screen, the top bar of the screen, and then a small part in the middle of the screen. So we kind of want to use that in guiding our experiment to kind of validate those results. In the computer science world, they look at a lot of these things scaled up, so there's a lot of complex and moving parts. And so by kind of taking the psychology aspect through that, we're scaling it down a lot so that it's only visual stimuli, images that we're using. So we have two components. We have the psychology experiment and the eye tracking component. For the psychology part of the experiment, it's a basic subsequent memory test where there's two sections. There's an encoding section where you show the subject stimuli and you ask them to memorize it, and then in the second section, which is the recall section, you ask if they remember it, but you also add new stimuli to kind of make sure that they're just remembering. In the recall, there's 4 conditions that we have set up. It's that they recognize the image but not the location. They recognize the image and the location on the screen that it's on. They recognize that the image wasn't in the image set, or they said a new image was in the old image set. In the eye tracking, we have a small eye tracker called the iDrive eye tracker. Basically what it does is it shines infrared light into your eyes, and it uses an algorithm to determine where you're looking on the screen. Based on the eye tracking data, we plan on kind of like codifying the eye tracking results to kind of fit with what they responded to in the recall portion. To create the predictive model, we're doing what's called using machine learning algorithms. And so basically, we kind of make up scores to assign to each of those 4 conditions, and then we input one person's data, which is called the training data. And so that's how the machine, I guess, learns what's good and what's bad, and it can use that to predict how all of the other subjects will answer. It's based on the location, so we have images in 4 locations on each of the corners of the screen, and so we're trying to see which one people remember most.